I pick the vegetables. I pick the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I boil the vegetables. I boil the vegetables. I stir-fry the vegetables. I stir-fry the vegetables. I stew the meat. I stew the meat. I knead the dough. I knead the dough. I roll the dough. I roll the dough. I add herbs to the soup. I add herbs to the soup. I cut the meat. I cut the meat. I peel the garlic. I peel the garlic. I steam the bird's nest. I steam the bird's nest. I grate the cheese. I grate the cheese. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I mix the dipping sauce. I mix the dipping sauce. I grind the meat. I grind the meat. I mince the garlic. I mince the garlic. I fry the fish. I fry the fish. I pound the chili. I pound the chili. I mash the sweet potato. I mash the sweet potato. I grill the meat. I grill the meat. I skim the foam. I skim the foam. I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I marinate the meat. I marinate the meat. I add oil to the pan. I add oil to the pan. I taste the soup. I taste the soup. I sift the flour. I sift the flour. I chop the vegetables. I chop the vegetables. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I add salt. I add salt. I taste the sauce. I taste the sauce. I mix the ingredients. I mix the ingredients. I preheat the oven. I preheat the oven. I bake the cake. I bake the cake. I boil the pasta. I boil the pasta. I drain the pasta. I drain the pasta. I serve the food. I serve the food. I set the table. I set the table. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I sit down to eat. I sit down to eat.
Hi friends, help me subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button right here. Great, now we're subscribed. Thanks for helping. Let's learn English together and have fun.